Welcome! You're on the Crypto Pump channel, and today I'll show you how to make the most of Bybit for trading right from your phone. We will thoroughly explore all the features of the app so you can easily start earning. This is not just an instruction manual, but a step-by-step guide covering everything, from spot trading to staking. Even if you have only 100 USDT in your account, you'll be able to master the process effortlessly. Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies? Let's get started. If you want to stay updated on the most profitable trading strategies, relevant news, and earning opportunities, be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. We regularly publish fresh market data, share analytics, and useful tips that will help you not only keep track of prices, but also profit from them. This is your chance to gain a deeper understanding of the trading world and get inspired for new ideas. Click the link in the description. We're waiting for you in our friendly community. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we offer a lot of interesting and valuable content. We've already discussed registration and funding. You can find that information in our previous videos. Let's assume you have 100 USDT in your account. Now let's transfer them to your trading account and move on to the functionality. First, open the Bybit app. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Assets section. Here, you'll see your 100 USDT in the Spot wallet. Click Transfer. Select Spot as the source and Trading as the destination. Enter the amount of 100 USDT and click Confirm. Your funds are now successfully transferred to your trading account and ready for use. The first function is spot trading. Spot trading is when you buy or sell cryptocurrency directly, just like in a store. You pay the money, receive the product immediately, and it's yours. There are no future commitments. You simply exchange one currency for another at the current price or wait for yours. This is the easiest way for beginners to start earning on Bybit. Click on Trade at the bottom, then select Spot. Choose the BTC USDT pair and click on it. The screen opens. At the top is the price chart. On the right is the order book with buy and sell orders, and at the bottom are the buy and sell buttons. Click Buy. There are two options. Market. You enter the amount, for example 50 USDT, click Confirm, and Bitcoin will appear in your account at the current price immediately. Or Limit. You set a price lower than the current one, enter the amount, click Confirm, and the order waits until the price reaches your level. To sell, click Sell, specify, for example half of the purchased volume, and click Confirm. Part of the USDT will return to your account. Check the Assets section, everything should be in place. Now, give this video a thumbs up, and let's move on to futures trading. Futures involve trading contracts where you bet on price changes in the future without directly acquiring cryptocurrency. You set the price now, but the trade will be executed later. In this format, you can use leverage, allowing you to trade an amount greater than your funds. But remember, if the market moves against you, your losses will also increase. This is a great way to profit from both rising and falling prices without owning the asset itself. To get started, click on Trade at the bottom of the screen, then select Futures. Find the BTC USDT pair and click on it. A screen will open with the price chart at the top, the order book with buy and sell orders on the right, and at the bottom, there will be a position section for your open trades. Click Open Position. Choose your leverage. The higher it is, the greater the risk. Next, decide whether to buy if you expect a rise or sell if you predict a fall. Enter the amount, for example 30 USDT, and click Confirm. Your position will be opened. To manage your profits and losses, you can set up take profit and stop loss orders in advance. These are predefined prices that trigger an automatic sale or purchase of an asset when they are reached. A take profit is the level at which you want to lock in your profits. For example, if you bought BTC for 85,000 USDT, set the take profit at 100,000. When the price reaches this point, your position will close and you will secure your profit. Conversely, a stop loss sets a limit on loss. For example, if you set it at 80,000, the trade will close if the price drops to this level, minimizing your losses. In the Position section, click Set, enter the desired values, and confirm. Now the system will operate automatically. You can also close a position manually. If the price is moving in your favor in the Position section, select Close, confirm, and your profit will be locked in. If the price is moving against you, you can close the position early or wait for the stop loss to trigger. Check the results in the Assets section. The third feature is copy trading. Copy trading allows you to follow the trades of experienced traders without diving into market analysis yourself. You simply allocate funds and the chosen professional trades on your behalf, sharing a portion of their profits. This is a great option for beginners who want to earn but lack sufficient knowledge, or for those who don't have time for active trading. Your task is to find a reliable trader and monitor their performance. To get started, click Copy at the bottom of the app. A list of traders with their statistics will open. How much they have earned, how many trades they've completed, and their win rate percentage. This will help you determine who consistently delivers good results. Choose a trader with strong performance and click Copy. Enter an amount, for example 20 USDT, and click Confirm. Thereafter, this trader's trades will automatically be replicated in your account and you'll receive a share of their profits. Check the Assets section, where you can see how your balance changes as a result of the trader's actions. If you wish to stop copying, go to the Copy section, click Stop Copying, confirm, and your funds will return to your account. The fourth feature is trading bots. Bots are automated programs that trade on the exchange for you, executing trades based on predetermined rules. They can be used for spot trading, futures, or a combination. Their main purpose is to save time, eliminate emotions, and operate 24/7 while you're busy or asleep. On Bybit, bots help trade cryptocurrencies like BTC or XRP. To get started, tap Trade at the bottom of the app, then select Bots. A menu will open where you can choose the type of bot and strategy, such as grid, where the bot places multiple buy and sell orders within a specified price range. Select a pair, like BTC USDT, tap create, enter an amount, such as 30 USDT, set a price range, and tap confirm. The bot will start trading automatically. The bot analyzes the market in real time. If the price falls to the buy level, it buys, and if it rises to the sell level, it sells. For example, in the grid strategy, it divides the range into small steps, earning small profits from each trade. Results are visible in assets. Your balance is displayed there. To stop the bot, find it in the bot section, tap stop, confirm, and it will deactivate, leaving the earnings in your account. It's important to choose the right strategy for the market. Grid works well during price fluctuations, but in the case of sudden changes, the bot may not react in time, so periodically check on it. The fifth feature is options. Options are contracts, where you bet on whether the price of a cryptocurrency will rise or fall by a certain time. You don't acquire the cryptocurrency itself, you simply predict its movement. If your prediction is correct, you earn a profit. If not, you only lose the invested funds. This allows you to earn in the market without significant investments and without the need to hold assets, especially if you're confident in your prediction. Options are simpler than futures, but require high accuracy in predictions. To start, tap Trade at the bottom of the app, then select Options. A screen will open with pairs, such as BTC USDT, expiration dates, when the contract will close, and a price chart. You can see the current price and choose its movement direction, up or down. Select Buy if you expect the price to rise, or Sell if you predict a fall. Enter an amount, for example 20 USDT, this is your stake, and tap Confirm to launch the contract. After this, there's nothing more to do. The system tracks the price for you. When the term expires, check the result in Assets. If you guessed correctly, the profit will be credited automatically. For example, 30-40 USDT from your stake, depending on the conditions. If you were wrong, you'll only lose 20 USDT and no more. This is a quick way to test your predictions. The sixth feature is margin trading. Margin trading allows you to borrow money or cryptocurrency from the exchange to trade on the spot market, with an amount greater than your own funds. You buy or sell actual assets which can then be withdrawn, but you accrue interest on the loan every hour. Why do this? To increase your profit if the market moves in your favor, or to earn from a price drop by borrowing and selling the asset. Unlike futures, in margin trading, you directly own the cryptocurrency, not contracts, and there are no time limits. You can hold the position as long as you want, as long as you have sufficient funds in your account. To start, tap Trade at the bottom of the app, then select Spot. Find a pair, like BTC USDT, and tap on it. A screen will open with the price chart at the top, the order book on the right, and buy and sell buttons with leverage settings at the bottom. Choose a leverage, for example, 3x, meaning the exchange will add 60 USDT to your 30 USDT, and you'll trade with 90 USDT. Turn on the margin toggle. Tap Buy or Sell, enter the amount, 30 USDT, and confirm. Your position is open. How does it work? If you bought BTC with 90 USDT at 3x leverage and the price increases by 10%, you sell for 99 USDT, repay the exchange 60 USDT, plus interest 0.1 USDT, and your profit is about 8.9 USDT instead of 3 USDT without leverage. However, if the price drops by 10%, your loss will be 9 USDT, and considering the debt and interest, you'll lose more than you invested. The exchange monitors the margin level. If it drops below 20% of the loan, your position will be liquidated. It will close automatically, and you will lose your 30 USDT. Stop loss and take profit are available for risk management. If you want to close the position manually, simply sell BTC at the market price. Check your balance in the assets section. The seventh feature is staking. Staking is the process where you place your funds or cryptocurrency on the exchange for a set period, or indefinitely to earn income in the form of interest, similar to a bank. You provide your assets to the platform, and it pays you a reward, usually between 1% to 10% annually, depending on the conditions. Why do this? To earn passively without engaging in active trading, simply by keeping funds in your account. On Bybit, staking is a safe way for beginners to earn profits. You need to choose between flexible staking, where you can withdraw funds at any time, and fixed staking, where you need to wait until the end of the term. To start, tap Earn at the bottom of the app. A list of available assets will open: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Choose, for example, USDT, and tap Deposit. You'll be offered two options: flexible, with the ability to withdraw funds at any time, or fixed, with funds locked for a specific period, 30 days, with a higher interest rate. Choose flexible, enter an amount, such as 50 USDT, and tap Confirm. Staking begins. How does it work? Your 50 USDT remains on the exchange, and you accrue interest daily. For example, 5% annually, which is roughly 68 10,000 USDT per day. The funds aren't traded, they simply sit and earn income. In the fixed option, the interest is higher, for example 8% over 30 days, but you cannot withdraw funds early. After 30 days, you'll receive 50 USDT, plus about 3,300 USDT in profit. Everything is credited automatically, without your involvement. You can check your earnings in Assets. You'll see how much has been added. For flexible, at any time, go to Earn, tap Withdraw, specify the amount, and confirm. The money returns to your account. For fixed, you need to wait until the end of the term and then collect everything with interest in Assets. It's a simple way to make your money work without the risk of trading. Now, you know how to trade on Bybit from your phone. This guide will help you get started with 100 USDT. For additional tips and ideas, join our Telegram channel and chat, where you'll find current strategies and support for beginners. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, subscribe to Crypto Pump, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell. See you next time.